second day here in Sydney. And kakain tayo ng breakfast sa labas. Tapos, imi-meet natin yung friend ko na si Mary Joyce sa Parramatta. Baby Marcus is here. Kuya Dere is there. Ayan. Alis na tayo soon. May nakita ko ditong brewed coffee. So, inom muna akong konti. Dito. Yan. Ito. So, we're here in ECQ. So, bago siyang DFO here in Sydney.
Tayo. Parang medyo safe yata dito.
Pwede ka mag-park, honey, sa merong pram. Mas malaki yung spaces doon. Kasi may pram na tayo.
The pram is, I think the pram place is
Yes, with us and Ate Cassie. Tita is so happy.
and that guy.
And that guy. And of course, Kuya Dede.
What that guy?
That guy, Kuya Dede. And Baby Marcus. Yeah. I'm with Leah TV.
Ito with Pramon, liliit din eh. Doon sa may Woolworths, budget. May
Yan.
Woolworths.
Mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito sa ECQ.
Look at it, look at it.
That is there.
Diyan, basta pumasok ka sa loob. Doon tayo
I'm with
magkita.
the kids.
Gitna siguro. Baka he's smiling.
Eh, syempre, nasa galaan. Oops! Wrong way.
Paper? Oh, paper. I don't like, why do my shoes always look at the camera?
Kuya Dede, you're the cameraman.
Candy smash. Sige, gano'n na kayo. Smash.
Oh!
Sige, basta kami dyan. May candy smash.
Bago yung DFO na to, guys.
Take further.
Nung dito pa kami nakatira sa Rooty Hill, wala pa to. Kaya biglang mahal ang bahay din dito sa Rooty Hill eh. Dahil sa mga bagong shops. Meet natin sila, Ate Donna! Hi! That's Tita Donna, yung Tito Ninong Mark. Oh. Mami! Mami! Look at the baby! Mami! Mami!
Kaya sabi mo, Baby Marcos.
Oh, ayun na si Baby Marcus.
Baby Marcos. Ayun, Baby Marcos.
Diba? Pwede lang sundan ulit, Ate Donna. Malaki na. Oo. Ito! Mas malaki to. Mas malaki to. Alright. So, dito tayo mag-breakfast sa Cafe Capri. Hindi pa ako nakapag-breakfast dito or nakakain dito ever. First time. Order ako na almond croissant, of course. Favorite. And try natin to. Nutella cookie. Nandun sila sa labas. You have to go to school. Kasama natin sila Ate Donna. Dito tayo sa Cafe Capri. Oops. Cafe Capri. Busy. May Tita Donna.
Hello everyone! Oh wait, whoops, wrong one. Hello everyone! We are at Tita Abby's Vlogs. Oh, so nice.
Ate Cassie. Hi, Ate Cassie.
Hello.
She's having double cheeseburger. Ito yung sa amin ni Daddy, Eggs Benedict. He is having cheeseburger. having the breakfast. Kain natin ang bebe. How's your burger? Are you like onions, Ate Cassie?
Too much. I like onions, but this
It's spicy.
Spicy? Your fish burger is spicy as well?
it's onions. Thank you so much, Tita Abby.
You're welcome. It's a day. I told you it's a day. That's it. Thank you. Hello, anak! Marcus! Where are you, Baba? Hoy! Hoy! Where are you? Nasa libutan na naman ang baby ko. Yan, tambay lang kami dito, guys. Saglit. Na mag-ikot-ikot kami sa loob ng DFO. Tapos, alis na din. Ay, hindi. Bibili pala kami ng hot chocolate sa lid. Tapos, hatid namin si Cassie and Leah sa house. Tapos, punta naman kami sa Paramata para i-meet yung isang friend namin. Nandito tayo sa Lin. Daming chocolates, guys. Look. Order tayo ng hot chocolate. Where's ate? Leah, come here. Halika na. Let's go. What do you want? Come. We're getting this one, please.
Can we get a regular milk chocolate and get it milkshake?
Okay, Daddy, what about you? And a large soy hot chocolate, please. Milk chocolate? Sorry, make it dark. Please. Ito nga pala yung pinakamaganda kong kaibigan. Pinakamayaman. Ay, oh, yan. Tingnan mo, madam na madam, oh. Oh, madam na madam. Humble lang yan. Thank you. Ito gusto ko, chicken feet. Gutom na si madam. Ito lang. Yan, order kami ng Xiaolong Bao. Ano na nga to? Pork ribs? Pork ribs. Then chicken feet. Then meron pa kaming shrimp. Then vegetables and rice. And then beef ribs. Favorite. Gusto niya yung noodle.
Gusto, hindi ko makuha.
Wala mo kinipirpita.
Okay lang.
makaubos. Oh. Medyo madami. Pero masarap siya lahat, in all fairness. Ang taba nung paa, sulit. Ayan, nakapulot ako ng yaya dito, o, di ba? Grabe, napakamahal ng hourly rate ng yaya ko. Yaya, maglilift tayo, babalik tayo doon.
Opo, ate.
Ayan guys, bili tayo ng taho. Lumipat tayo dito sa Blacktown. Ayan guys, bumili ako ng taho dito sa Summer Vibe. Nandito tayo sa Blacktown. Nagpagupit si Daddy. Gwapo ng asawa ko.
Kaya?
Pogi. Tara. Okay.
Yun ang dapat hindi mo inaamoy.
Nandito naman tayo sa Manufacture for dinner. Ay, nako, kami na talaga ang all day kumakain. Ayan. First time namin dito.
Kaya wala ba nakasulat na ano to? Visitor.
Small car lang nakalagay.
Ito kasi
Tanggalin mo. Hate na hate niya yan talaga. Umiiyak ang ating baby! Ayan. Crying. Ganda dito. Oh. Ang daming restaurants. Brisket boys. Yan lang yun. Buhatin ko na nga. Hi kids! Dito tayo kakain sa Brisket Boys. Yan. Daming tao. Ito dito. Fairness. Tapos ito, parang merong... Ano ba to? Hindi ko alam. Parang big crane. Something like that. Pero ang daming tao. Palakasan sila ng music. Masayang-masaya na naman ating baby. Spoiled na naman. Dami na naman tagabuhat. Oh! Si Ninang Cindy niya yan. And that's Ninang Mitch. Wow! Daming tao. I mean, sakto lang. Sayang sold out na ang pork belly. Ito ang bestseller. So, ang in-order namin is beef brisket and pulled pork para mas
Yeah, your jacket. Wear it. Sorry, it's too hot.
Sit beside ate. Ilang, balik mo nga yan.
Balik mo.
Yung ano, may kutsara.
My name's Leah. What's your name? Wait, are they okay? That's your great name.
Teka.
What's it taste like?
coffee. Sauce. Tasty sauce.
Dito. Here, smile.
Mommy, who's this?
Gusto mo yan. Smile.
Mommy,
Mamaya kayo magpapatalo. Here.
Okay, that's our order. So, fries for the side. And then mac and cheese. Then we have pulled pork and beef brisket. So, this is $50. Parang sulit naman. Masarap. Try mo, Daddy. Show it to them. Yummy. O, ikaw, Daddy, try mo.
No. Lambot.
Okay.
Try natin with sauce.
Teka lang. Ano? Sarap? Daddy approve.